How to connect HFM to MetaTrader 5. Here's what you want to do. Load up the MetaTrader 5 app and then we'll just click on settings in the bottom right corner. Now from here we have to select new account. We will use the search bar to search for HFM like so, and you want to choose the appropriate market or broker which matches yours. So for example here I'll do the top one, HFM Investments. Click on the broker itself and it's going to ask you for your login and password. So type your login, password, then you'll have to click on done. You're also given the option of saving your password. After you have filled out your information, at the bottom you will see this button sign in light up in blue. Click on sign in and that is how you connect HFM to MetaTrader 5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.